Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to discuss about JAX transform function. Actually, this JAX is more useful for these transform functions. So I have shown you there are, you can say, four transform function are available. Uh, so uh, so in this video, I'm going to discuss one of them, which is JIT transform function. So what is JIT? JIT actually JIT is a, you can say, transforms function. JIT compiles your function using XLA and catches them, okay, so that it can so that it runs your function so fast because it cached the information. And whenever you are running your you can say any kinds of function by using the JIT, so it becomes very speedy at that time. Okay, so I'm going to show you some demo here, okay, so that like you can get the idea. So I'm going to perform, you can say, I'm going to run a function with JIT and without JIT, and I'm going to show you the time duration they have taken, so that you can get the idea why you will use that JIT function. So let's jump into our notebook. So here I have imported some of the, you can say, necessary libraries, including JAX. And here I have created, you can say, helper visualization function, because whatever you can say function I'm going to create, I just want to visualize, so that you can get more intuitive idea. Okay, and here I have created a function called celu. So if you don't know, celu is, you can say, celu is an activation function. So it is nothing like this is the logic, like if your, you can say, x is like greater than 0, so that would be like x. Otherwise, like if it is like less than 0, so here you can say some alpha and some exponential, you can say, value would be added and multiplied. So yes, that is the, you can say, celu function. So I'll be discussing this function as we go further in detail, but as of now just consider it's a function. Okay, but here you can use any kinds of function, okay, with you can say more logical calculation. So here what I have done, I have, you can say, pass that function to this JIT. Okay, so JIT, you can say, that is the, you can say, transform function, and I have passed the celu. And and here what I have done, you can see in my visualization function I have given my celu function. So what it will do, it will visualize the function. And let's see the benchmark right now. So here you can say I have taken some random number, and I have, you can say, called this, you can say, this just celu function. Okay, it's a simple celu function. I haven't, you can say, used the JIT here, but you can say the later one, I have used this, you can say, celu JIT, because I have already stored it there. Then I have passed my, you can say, this data. And if I now run that, so you'll be seeing the time duration between them. So see, it has successfully ran, and that's how the celu function looks like. And if I show you, see, so without JIT, so it was, you can say, taken 1.95 millisecond per loop. But whenever we have used JIT, okay, so it was taken around, you can say, 168 microsecond per loop. Okay, so yeah, it's a quite, you can say, time difference between them. But you can say it's a kind of easy function calculation, so that's why so you cannot get more difference between them. But if you are using a complex function here, okay, suppose in that function there are lots of calculation, okay, complex calculation. So at that time you can like consider the, you can say, time duration between them. Okay, so yes, this was the JIT function. So by using JIT function, we can make faster any kinds of, you can say, normal Python function whenever you are doing any operation. Okay, so yes, we'll be using that whenever we'll be, you can say, implementing our neural network. So it will help us, you can say, for you can say, calculating those you can say, neural network weights. Okay, neural network, you can say, complex you can say, calculations. So at that time it will help. Okay, so yes guys, this was all about from this video, and let's meet at the next video.